many threats that are not allowing this population to recover. So, in the last 20 years, 14 species of penguins became more endangered. 14 species were moved to a more severe conservation status. And this is because penguins have particular features that make them sensitive and vulnerable. They are flightless birds. Penguins don't fly, and they only live in the southern hemisphere, breeding in Antarctica, South America, South Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. In addition, penguins lay only 1 or 2 eggs per breeding season, and they take several months to raise their chicks. Penguins do also breed in colonies, so they are all concentrated in one spot in one moment of the year, so they're more vulnerable to some threats like predators or disease or an oil spill again. And penguins can swim hundreds and even thousands of kilometers during their feeding and their migration trips. For instance, a Magellanic penguin can swim 10,000 miles per year. That is the distance that a car is driven here in the United States per year. So can you imagine? So as we can see, penguins are very sensitive to all the alterations to the marine and coastal systems, and these alterations are caused mainly by climate change, marine pollution, and fisheries mismanagement. Climate change is unequivocal. The Antarctic region is warming much faster than the average rate of the Earth warming. This is affecting the pattern of ice formation and melting, which is also affecting the quality and the availability of habitat to eat and also to breed for penguins. Climate change has produced the decline of some species, including the chinstrap, that declined 30% in the last 40 years. These guys feed on krill, this crustacean. The krill feed on an algae that grows under the ice. Due to climate change, there's no ice, no algae, no krill, no penguins. But climate change is not only affecting Antarctic species, also temperate species, because it is increasing the intensity and also the frequency of some normal environmental cycles, such as El Niño. And this is affecting the availability of food out in the ocean when they go to get food to eat themselves and to feed their chicks. And climate change is also producing severe storms in critical stages of the breeding cycle, causing the mortality of many chicks. Penguins are also one of the most conspicuous and visible victims of oil pollution. Oil spills have killed thousands of penguins in 4 continents. And oil spill is